Fins Up friends, today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of a Tortola. Now I have this video already, but this one is special because they enclosed that den space. So I'm excited to show this to you. As you can see, they're about to close and I want you to see what it looks like. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go. I, nor my brokerage, is affiliated with Minto Communities, LMWS, or Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. So we're going to walk into this Tortola. Okay, so you've got your living room area. Here's your dining area. Kitchen. So you've got an island. Beautiful choices here. So here we've got the laundry room. HVAC. Now, here is that den space. So you do have the option to enclose it and create a designated space. The half bath is right next to it. And I do have the link for the original Tortola layout that does not have this wall here. It's all just wide open. So this second bedroom, you'll notice they chose the 8-foot doors and the crown molding throughout. Again, large closets. This is just the guest ensuite. They chose the cabinet here and beautiful tile to the top. Let's go check out the main ensuite, and then we'll look out back even though it's a cloudy day. So main ensuite, standard tray ceilings. Again, you see the crown throughout. They chose the pocket door so you don't lose any swing space. Again, an upgrade for the cabinet closet. This one was beautiful choices. There is a Listello that is navy, and you've got your water closet, and again, always a large closet. So I like to say that a cloudy, rainy day in Florida is better than a day at home at work, no matter what. So you'll notice that this pool has the colored lights, which is an option. How great is that? And this lot overlooks a pond water view there. And you've got your nice large back porch. So for more information, you can look in the description below. I have the link there for this floor plan, and then you can see the option to modify that den space. It's super awesome. It gives you just that third enclosed space for guest or office or however you need. All right, if you need me, give me a ring, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.